Hello coffee lovers! Today, we're diving into the features of the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup thermal coffee maker, a sleek and efficient addition to your kitchen. This coffee maker boasts digital controls and an EvenStream showerhead that ensures optimal water distribution for a perfect brew every time. The stainless steel thermal carafe not only keeps your coffee hot for hours but also features a wide mouth opening, making cleanup a breeze with just a damp towel. Say goodbye to messy countertops with the No-Drip Perfect Pour Spout, designed to prevent spills and drips while pouring. The washable brew basket is easily removable and top-rack dishwasher safe, simplifying your post-brew routine. With its stylish black and silver design, this coffee maker is as attractive as it is functional. Don't forget to check the user guide provided in PDF format for detailed instructions before your first use. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.